Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you are new. If you haven't subscribed and you like my content, please consider subscribing and like my videos and comment. And today I am doing another request from my Temu haul. A subscriber has requested to see some of these gold lined full nail stickers that I got from Temu. So I'm going to try these ones first, and then I'm going to do these ones in another video pretty much straight afterwards. So if you're interested in seeing what the other ones look like, look out for my next video. So with this one I am going to use this color polish. It's kind of like a, I don't know how you would describe that, it's kind of like a pinky mauve or a purpley color. So I'm going to put it on all nails, and I'm going to do a feature nail with a gold chrome. So I will just let you listen to some music while I go ahead and do this, and feel free to leave me any comments or questions. It's pretty self-explanatory. These videos are super fast and super easy.
Turn my world upside down. I was lost, but now I'm here, right where I belong. Soft touch, everything's different now. Soft touch.
Now for this nail, I'm going to put gold chrome on it. So I'm using this chrome top coat to see how it goes. I've tested it out in my haul video, but I'm going to test it again. And I only put one coat of this polish on. It has pretty good coverage, so I didn't think I needed two coats. But I will be right back after this cures. While that's curing, I'll go ahead and start using these stickers. So I'm going to choose this one for the thumbnail. It should cover pretty much almost all of the nail, obviously depending on the size of the nails that you're going to be using. Just be careful when you are using a full nail, because they can kind of bubble and sort of get creases in them. So just do it slowly, and I use this silicone little pusher to help sort of push it all out and smooth it all out, which works really good, and then I don't get my fingerprints all over it. But I do use my fingers also, because sometimes you can't see it and you need to feel it to see where the creases are. So that's what I do, and you just cut off any excess that are hanging over the edges, and pretty much that nail is now done, other than the top coat that needs to go on top of it, which I will do a bit later. I'll just move on to the next few nails. As you can see there, I'm using my fingernail to just push out if there's any air bubbles or feel any creases. So how good does that look? How beautiful. So I'll move on to the next one, and I'll leave you just to watch along.
Soft touch, you make me feel so free.
Beach horizon, breathing slow, something stirring, don't let go. Velvet moments, time stands still, cherry blossoms on the sill. Feel it building in my chest, quiet thunder, I confess. Silk wind carries me to places I've never been. Silk wind carries me through gardens of possibility. Silk wind carries me through the possibility. Silk amber light falls across my skin, something tender lives within, roasted in air.
Okay, now for the chrome nails. So I'm going to use my gold chrome, and I'm going to use this little silicone tool that I got off Temu as well. but for some reason it didn't work well. So I don't know if it's because of the top coat, the chrome top coat, or if it's the tool, or if I don't know why actually, to be honest, because it usually works really well. So I'm just going to apply it with the normal pad, and then I'm going to grab the other silicone tool which works exceptionally well, and I'm just going to finish it off to get that extra shine.
Floating, floating, floating on this feeling, this feeling, this feeling strong. Floating, floating, floating on this feeling, this feeling, this feeling strong. Silk wind carries me to places I've never been.
Just adding the high gloss top coat now, and then the nail design will be finished. I'll put them on the mannequin and I will come back. And here is the finished design, guys. I think they look gorgeous, very pretty and complementary with that color underneath, although they'd go with many other colors. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much to my wonderful subscriber who requested to see these. As I said in my previous videos, I really love getting suggestions from you guys so I can make videos that you really want to see, and I have another one coming up with some more stickers, to some of the gold line stickers. So thanks again, and please leave me a like and a comment and consider subscribing. See you later.